Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today I have cabbage stew for you guys. So my cabbage stew that I'm going to make, I'm using pink salmon and mackerel tin, Pilchard. I have my onion, diced cut onion here with garlic. I have tomato paste, homemade tomatoes as well, and I have my cabbage here. I have thyme, oregano, ginger powder, black pepper, and salt. And I have also oil. I have oil here in my pan. So let's go ahead and start it. First, I'm going to start cooking my onion and the garlic. So I'm going to cook this a bit for about 2 minutes, and I can add my tomatoes into it. So now I'm adding my tomato paste. So 1 tablespoon of tomato paste I'm using. I'm also going to add my pepper. 1 Scotch bonnet. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. So now my tomatoes are cooked. I'm going to add my homemade tomatoes as well. This one is cooked already, so I won't cook it for too long before I can add my salmon, pink salmon into it. So I'm going to add my pink salmon in there. Okay. Add the Pilchards as well. Break it a bit, separate them into pieces, not too mushy here, just like that, be alright. And I'm going to add my herbs also in there, thyme and oregano, black pepper, ginger powder, and a bit of salt to taste. Alright. Okay. Mix them together. That was simple and easy. No long thing. Just short, and it's done. I'm going to leave it to cook for 5 minutes before I can add my cabbage into it. Okay, so this is our cabbage stew. It's done nicely. I've added boiled eggs into it. So this one, I'm going to have it with rice for lunch, but you can have it with yam, plantain, anything of your choice. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for coming. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click on the notification button so you can see our video anytime we upload videos. Okay, thank you. Bye.